Hello viewers, this is a Midland all hazards radio, model WR120B, and this will be the unboxing and initial opinions video. This does primarily weather alerts. I believe it can be, programmed to receive a variety of different alerts put out over the radio. Here's a look at the features. You can pause the video and read that if you so desire to. So let's get this thing opened up here. Here is the radio itself. Of course, there has to be doggone iPhone apps in there too. This looks like some kind of an advertisement. I don't know what that is. This is probably another advertisement. Yes, it is. This is the manual. This is really the only piece of documentation I'm particularly interested in. So we'll set that aside. What is in here? Oh, a whole bunch of radios, including the one being featured in this video here. So this must be the power cord. It is. Well, I guess I should have done this off video. Didn't think there was going to be so much tape on here. Okay. Here's the radio. Let's go ahead and plug it in. The cord is a good length. It's probably about 6 feet. Looks like we have the option for an external antenna, a speaker, I'm not too sure what that does, and then power. And I believe this has battery backup, 3 AA batteries, wall mount holes, feet for mounting on the table, ensure the switch is in the on position. Then what good is the switch if it's supposed to be in the on position? Well, regardless, let's extend the antenna. And let's see what kind of setup options we have here. I never use one of these things, so perhaps I should look at the manual, but whatever. Let's see how intuitive it is. Set language. Select English, French, Spanish. Set location. Oh, that's not my specific location. This is any single multiple. For now we'll go with any. I'm not really sure what that means. It is 829. That's not really what I wanted, but Setup is done. Okay. Oh, that's the alarm clock. I don't want that. That is quite loud. I don't quite understand this. Well, okay, that's nice. Saving. What did it just save? Oh dear, it just saved something. I think there's a way to turn that down a bit. Let's see here. How do we listen to the radio?
Current risk in effect until 9 p.m. this evening. For tomorrow, moderate. Lightning threat, none. Surf height, around 4 feet. Ultraviolet index, 7, which is categorized as high exposure. Surf temperature, 68 degrees. Weather, mostly sunny. High temperature, upper 70s. Winds, north winds around 5 miles per hour, shifting to the southeast in the afternoon. For Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows lower 60s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. For Friday, sunny. Highs mid-70s. East winds around 5 miles per hour.
Well, the alarm volume is certainly quite loud, but I'm not overly impressed with the volume of the radio itself. It's definitely loud enough if you're in the same room with it, but you know, if you're 3 rooms down, I'm not really sure you'd be able to hear that radio itself. But anyways, not really sure how I'm going to get a video of this actually going off, because we don't get a whole lot of severe weather here. We get a couple of severe thunderstorms every now and again, but that's about it. So I'll have to wait for a severe something or other to happen, and hopefully I can get it on video.